I am Matt Hilburn, Design Manager for Mopar. With me here is the Jeep Gladiator High Top concept for the 58th Annual Easter Jeep Safari. Starting out on the front, you'll see a custom front bumper sporting a worn winch. We have a massive set of 40-inch tires with some 18-inch beadlock wheels. The color is what we're calling ginger snap. It's kind of a heritage color, kind of going back to the old J10s. You'll see a retro-inspired set of two-tone graphics with the Rubicon logo. Moving down the side of the vehicle, you'll see we actually have our half doors on this vehicle and a set of rock slider power steps. Really cool, helping ingress, egress to the vehicle. Moving to the interior, we have an awesome set of leather seat covers by Aaliyah. We worked with the design on these, has our JPP logo embossed right there in the back. Beautiful quilted pattern on these seats. Nice color contrast to the exterior as well. Moving down the side of the vehicle to clear these massive 40-inch tires, we have our JPP steel flat fender kit. And as we move around the back, you'll notice we also have a decked embed storage system to carry all your trail gear or whatever you might need to carry on your trip. And one more really cool thing about this build. This truck rides on air suspension that you can control with your smartphone. And that about sums up all the key details of the Jeep High Top concept.